It is a dated 1960s ranch house that is reimagined into a warm, inviting space, starting with the dining room, where a robin's egg blue wall covering brings soft, sophisticated charm. In the dining room, a robin's egg blue wall covering brought subtle sophistication with its tonal, monochromatic chinoiserie pattern. The decor and design transformation led by Andrea Taylor focused on turning a dated 1960s ranch-style home into a bright, welcoming space. The result is a home filled with character and warmth. Resembling artwork, it enhanced the ambience without overwhelming it. Taylor skillfully blended existing furnishings like the dining table and china cabinet with updated lighting that featured brass accents. This created harmony between old and new while balancing the cool tones of the wallpaper. Throughout the home, dated elements like dull red brick floors, beige drywall, and nondescript millwork were replaced to inject light and color. Natural light became a central design priority, especially important in a ranch-style home with low ceilings. Taylor's updates opened up the spaces, removed visual clutter, and added warmth and clarity. The once dark public spaces now feel cheerful and refined, reflecting a thoughtful combination of modern design and respect for the home's original character. The kitchen, once minimally updated, was completely gutted and reimagined. Custom cabinetry painted in a cheerful shade of Farrow and Ball cooking apple green brought new life to the space. This hue acted as a fresh, bright neutral that transformed the once dim space. A custom hood with scalloped detail added a playful, whimsical touch, echoing the charm of the adjacent breakfast area's wallpaper. Hardwood flooring replaced the brick, and textured grasscloth walls and colorful neutral paints gave the interiors new life. Built-ins were replaced with a mirrored backsplash and sleek custom shelving, blending function with elegance in areas like the wet bar.